So, I have two book recommendations for you that you must read once in your life. All I can really say that I want to forget that I read this book and again I want to reread it. So, if you are a book lover, you came to a right place, and if you are not, after reading these books, you will be a book lover. So, let's get into the video, and the first one is The Silent Patient, starting here. A murder, a mystery, a woman who never speaks. So let me introduce the characters first. Alicia Beresin, the female main lead and also the silent patient. Brilliant, beautiful, and broken. And he is Gabriel, Alicia's husband, a fashion photographer and the murder victim. Theo, the narrator and the psychotherapist who takes Alicia's case. Max Beresin, he is Gabriel's brother, hiding more than he says. Diomedes, head psychiatrist at the group of facilities where Alicia is treated. She is Ruth, Theo's former therapist, wise and observant. She is Kathy, Theo's wife. She is beautiful, whose secrets play a bigger role than expected. A famous painter, a brutal murder, and a woman who never speaks a word. Alicia Beresin, a renowned painter, is found guilty of murdering her husband Gabriel and subsequently stops speaking entirely. She is admitted to secure a psychiatric facility where psychotherapist Theo Faber becomes obsessed with uncovering the truth behind her silence. As Theo learns more about Alicia's life and her thoughts, he discovers many hidden secrets about her past. These secrets slowly helped him understand why she stopped talking. In the end, he finds out something very surprising that changes everything we believed about the story. I know you will really like the story. And for my ratings, I would literally give it 5 stars. Thanks for listening. Let me know in the comments if you have read it or it's in your book list. Wait, if you think the video has ended, congratulations, it's not. Anyway, let's move on to the next book. And this book itself is one of my favorite books. The name of this book is Sophie's World. What if one day you open your mailbox and found a letter asking you who are you or where the world come from? An envelope. Philosophy. Who are you? Where does the world come from? Sophie was reading the letter. Okay, the characters of Sophie's World are Sophie Amundsen, a 14-year-old girl from Norway who receives mysterious philosophical letters. Her curiosity and questions for knowledge drive the story as she learns about the history of Western philosophy. Alberto Knox, Sophie's mysterious philosophy teacher who guides her through the philosophical journey. He introduces her to major philosophical concepts and thinking from the ancient Greece to the modern times. Albert Nag, the father of Hildy, who is revealed to be the author of the book within the book. He writes the philosophical lessons for the daughter Hildy and Sophie as well. Hildy Moller Nag, Albert's daughter, who is initially unaware that she is a character in a book. Her perspective provides narrative and intertwines with Sophie's story. Sophie's mother. She plays a minor character who represents the ordinary world outside of Sophie's philosophical journey. So these were the characters, and I think by characters you got to know little bit about the story. And again, my rating for this book is 5 star. Obviously, if it wasn't a good book, I wouldn't have included it in my video. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe this video. The last thing I just want to tell you is you must read this book once in your life. It will be really amazing journey to read one of them. If you want, you can read both. Okay, then take care, and if you're curious to read more books, shall I bring part 2? I will give the link in the description. Check it if you need. Okay. Bye.